Linguistic programming training, well known NLP, is a way of thinking of how the world works and how excellence can be achieved in everyday life. With our NLP training course, we provide you with practical techniques to create new outcomes. These tools can be learned and applied in all areas of life. Perhaps you'd like to communicate better, enjoy smoother relationships, have a better social life, achieve greater career success, earn more money, rid yourself of habits and phobias, or just knowing yourself better. Perhaps you are successful in conventional ways, but would like to change a few things within yourself. You can use NLP to coach yourself so that you feel happier and more fulfilled. In business, you can use NLP to coach your colleagues for improving sales, presentations, and for improved communication and management. Knowing how to use NLP will help you to make use of your inner potential. Create a vision, a purpose, set effective goals, and achieve them.